Hello my dear children. Today we are going to study class 4 subject maths chapter 1 building with bricks. So what does brick means? Yes, brick means int. Now look at here. You must have seen this kind of bricks for building houses, for multiplexes, tall buildings, for constructing monuments. We are using this bricks. Now if you look at here, these are 5 bricks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just look at the arrangement of bricks. This is how the walls of buildings and houses are made. Now this is the one type of patterns in which we have arranged the bricks for building purpose. Now there is one more type by which we can arrange the bricks. See, like this. This is fifth one. But this kind of arrangement of bricks is not possible to build a wall. So these are just the patterns, normal patterns of arranging the bricks. But we'll study this lesson in detail. Before starting the patterns, we'll start with different geometrical shapes. Now, first look at here on the board. Which is this shape? Yes, it's a triangle. This triangle has 3 sides. It's a triangle. 3 sides. These line segments are called as sides. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides, and this where the 2 line segments join, that part is called as corners. So how many corners? 3 sides and 3 corners. Now next geometrical figure is, identify which shape it is. Yes, it's a square. Square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. Okay. Now, where 2 line segments join, that point is called as corners. So, how many corners? Yes, 4 corners. Now, next geometrical figure is, identify all of you, count the number of sides here. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if the shape has 5 sides, that shape is called as pentagon. Now 5 sides, and now count the number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 sides and 5 corners. Now look at the next figure. Count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the shape which has 6 sides are called as hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 corners. So these are there are many more geometrical shapes are there. You must be thinking, why I am teaching these shapes in building with the bricks? But you will come across this kind of shapes for identifying the patterns. Now next shape, which is this shape? Yes, circle. Circle. It has no sides and no corner. Now if you observe all these shapes, they are closed figure. Closed figure means it starts and ends at the same point. It starts and ends at the same point. So if you look at all these figures, they are closed figure. Next shape is identify. Yes, it's a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now if you observe this square and rectangle, now square has all 4 sides equal and rectangle has opposite sides equal. So this 2 number and 4 number, they are having equal length, and 1 and 3 are having equal length. Now one more shape left. Look at here. Which is this shape? You must have seen this kind of shape. Those who are eating eggs. So it's a oval shape. Yes, so these are all the different shapes drawn on a plain paper. These all shapes are drawn on the plain paper. Now, just look at this once again. Triangle, it has 3 sides, 3 corners. Square and rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Square has all 4 sides equal and rectangle has opposite sides equal. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Circle and oval don't have any sides and corners. They are just a closed figure. Now, next topic we'll study. Just have a look on it. Just go through once this. Okay, so next topic we'll do, and you will be very happy to learn that new topic. Have you heard the word 2D and 3D? Yes, D means dimensions. So 2-dimension figure and 3-dimensions figure. Dimensions, now which are the dimensions which we measure? Length, breadth and height. Breadth is also called as width. So these are the 3 dimensions we can measure. And 2D and 3D difference we'll study now. Just look at the board. Okay, so you have understood what is dimensions. Dimensions are length, breadth, or width and height. Now let us first understand now difference between 2D and 3D. The first point in 2D shapes have 2 dimensions, and these dimensions are length and breadth. But 3D shapes have 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. Second difference of 2D is it is a flat shape, and 3D it is a solid shape. Already I have explained you. If you look at this duster, it's a 3D shape, it's a solid shape, and which we have studied first different shapes. They were all flat, can be drawn on a plain paper. They are flat shapes. So examples of 2D shapes are square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. Already we have studied before. And 3D shapes examples are cube. Everybody is now playing Ludo. So you know the dice of the Ludo you are playing. So that is the cube shape. All the sides of cube are square in shape. Next is solid shape. 3D shape is cuboid. See this duster? It has length, it has height and it has breadth. So this is 3D shape. It's a cuboid shape. 2 sides are rectangle. Can you see this? Yes. So this is cuboid shape. Next is pyramid. Pyramid also is a solid shape and it's a 3D shape. Next is prism. So these are the examples of 3D shapes. So it is very easy to draw this 2D shapes. Square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, circle, oval. This all shapes can be drawn on a plain paper and it's very easy. But it's difficult, little bit difficult to draw this 3D shapes. Now just look at here. I will show you the example of cube. Now how to draw cube? See, cube has all four sides square in shape. So just draw one square and on top of it one more square and then join all the corners. So this is the cube shape. So you just find out different examples of things which are in cube shape. One I told you, Ludo, when you are playing, that dice is a cube in shape. Next is cuboid. I will show you the shape. So I told you it's little bit difficult to draw this 3D shapes compared to this 2D shape. So this is cuboid shape. Take the rectangle shape. So on top of it one more rectangle shape. I am just showing you how to draw the cuboid shape. And then join all the corners. So this is cuboid shape. The simple example is this duster. Everybody has in the class you must have seen this kind of duster. This is a cuboid shape. Now just look at here in the textbook. We'll begin the first page of this lesson. So we have studied different shapes. Now these shapes you will understand why we have studied in this lesson. So this is the small story about the building with bricks lesson में. This is the brick pattern for Jagruti school. Now I am just keeping my pen on the sentences. So understand, I am explaining parallel. This is the true story of Jagruti school in Murshidabad, West Bengal. Murshidabad place is in West Bengal. And this is the story of Jagruti school which is in Murshidabad. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. So when the school decided to build a building, say they have decided to make a walls and floors of the school building with the help of bricks. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the masons for the brick work. Now brick work आपको पता है कि कड़िया बोलते हैं जो brick work का brick पे काम करते हैं, brick से यूज़ करके walls, floors बनाते हैं. So they have decided to make something innovating, something different walls and brick floor patterns. They wanted to get new ideas for the school buildings. So they took their other friend to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Look at this picture. This is the tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. So three of these friends, they went to visit this Murshid Quli Khan tomb. Tomb that means किला. तो वो वहाँ पे देखने गए कि how the floors and walls of this tomb are made. This building has big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. So in this tomb there were 2000 varieties of floor and wall patterns made with bricks. These were made by masons long back. So this tomb was not new. It was very old tomb, about 300 years ago. So about 300 years ago this tomb was made. If you look at the pictures, how these bricks are used for making the floor and walls of this tomb. So look at this picture on page number 1. There are two pictures of different patterns brick. See, in the first picture it is a square shape. In that square shape, arrangement of bricks are, see how beautifully it is arranged. So see, square shape. Next, can you see the diamond kind of or quadrilateral type of shape? So in this also the different patterns of bricks are arranged. If you look at the page number 2, 3 more brick patterns are shown. Look at here how the bricks are arranged. So in each and every floor pattern is having different patterns. See, this is so beautifully So based on this 5 patterns of bricks, question is asked, which floor pattern do you like the most? So out of 5, whichever pattern you like the most, write down here. So your answer may vary. आप सबके आंसर अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. और हैव यू सीन सच पैटर्न्स एनीवेयर? अगर आपने कोई भी जगह पे इस तरह की पैटर्न फ्लोर्स एंड वॉल्स पे देखी है, देन यू राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द प्लेसेस वेयर यू हैव सीन. So that's all.